Hey y'all, hope all is well. I'm out here messing with the big van again. Yep, this is the formation I'm gonna put the panels up on the roof. One and then two back here. Just roughing it together. Things are only hand tight, but I went ahead and mounted the long bars to the panels and then put the side bars on. I had to drill a hole in this end of this one for it to line up right, which is why I put these on the panels first and then square that up, because last time I made this rack for the other van, I bolted all the rack together, and then when I was putting the panels in, it was flexing and bending, so I built it around the panels. I will be taking the panels off to put the rack up top, but this is just rough draft first assembly, basically just the beginning process of making the rack, and now I'm starting to ramble. Anyway, that's what I'm up to. Yesterday I took everything off the other van and laid it out in an organized manner for once. Sorry about the brightness behind me. But today I'm starting to build. I have to work tomorrow afternoon, so I got a little time during the day to work on it a little bit. I'm gonna have to go to the parts store and get me some bolts and nuts to secure this to the roof, because these little screws that came with the solar panel mounts, I'm not sure about using those, because on the inside of this ceiling I want nuts on bolts, and yeah, I don't want threads pulling out of that old fiberglass top, so I'm gonna do it the best I can. Anyway, that's just a quick update. Next I gotta put some more side bars in there. I have those right here. Only thing is, to put them in, I'm going to have to cut each end of it about 1.5 inches in so it fits down in there. That just gives me an excuse to use an angle grinder. I love that thing. I bought it for the first rack that I put up on the other van and instantly fell in love with that tool. It's awesome. Anyway, enough of my rambling. There's my update. I might get some more done this evening. Well, yeah, I should have the other bars in there by dark. And then tomorrow I may try to assemble it on the roof and see how it goes. I'm gonna quit rambling. I hope all is well. Until next time, happy trails.